Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Jeep prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, heated seats, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.